Okay, and we've got a video for you here to show you how to take a Windows XP machine, polish it up so it looks nice and pretty, and you can use it on a TV, connect it to a TV, and let you watch things like Hulu and Netflix and stuff like that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make an easy interface for you to use, so you don't have to use a keyboard and a mouse, so you can access these things on the TV. And so the way that I do that is I use an active desktop background, which makes a web page, sets a web page with all its interactive elements as the background for your computer. So I'm going to open up Firefox, and I'm going to put in the URL, which is for the page that I made, www.socksite.com/gear/wireless/desktop. And once you have that, just hit enter. It'll bring up this page, which has links for Hulu, Netflix, and YouTube. You can save this to your desktop by saying File, Save Page As, and just say Save. So this will go straight to our desktop, and we'll know where that is later. So we get that. It's saved. It saves the images and the page. We can close that up. So you see the folder here has the images. The file here has the page information. So now we have all our elements that we're going to need for that active desktop, and we're going to turn that on. So if you right click on the desktop and choose Properties, it'll bring up this menu here, and you want to choose Desktop, change background to black, and that'll become clear later as to why you want to do that, and say Customize Desktop. Choose the Web tab and New. So we hit the New button. We want to browse. Pretty straightforward. Go to your desktop and choose this ActiveDesktop.htm. Once you do that, just hit OK and hit OK again. Now we want to also make sure while we're in here that the screensaver is turned off. So right now I have my screensaver set to none, and that's important to have too. And then we'll hit OK. And this will change our background to be black, and it'll put that active desktop item on there as well. Okay, so now we should see the active desktop item, which is, you see just the part of the Hulu icon, this green H. And if you put your mouse over that and then go over to the side button, you can the pull down menu there gives you the option to split desktop with icons. Now before you do this, you want to make sure that you only have one column of icons on the side, because this is going to take up all the space on the screen except for where a column of icons are. If you have multiple columns, it'll shuffle it all the way over to the side, and we don't want to do that. So we'll split desktop with icons. Kablam. Now on a television that you're going to be putting this on, it's going to be wider than the aspect ratio of what we have for this laptop. So it should actually put them at least side by side for some of them or something like that. So this can be messed with. If you'd like it adjusted, just let me know and I'll change it around for you to suit whatever you need. So we do have a scroll bar on the right, and we have our icons on the left, and we want to get rid of both of those. So the way you get rid of the icons is you right click anywhere on the desktop that's way over by the icons, and you choose Arrange Icons By, and then you go down and you uncheck this Show Desktop Icons. So we'll do that, and all those icons should disappear. They still exist, they're just not being displayed. The next thing we want to do to get some more real estate, since this wants to scroll up and down, is we want to get rid of our toolbar at the bottom. So we don't want to get rid of it, we just want to auto hide it. In order to do that, you right click the toolbar, you choose Properties, I guess it's the taskbar, I'm sorry, and then you say auto hide the taskbar, and OK. And now all you have on your screen are the three icons, three images that are clickable and will take you to the web page that you want to use. You will notice though that there is a line at the bottom of your screen. If you want to get rid of this line so that it doesn't show up on your television all the time, you're going to have to change the graphic card settings so that it makes it think that the screen is a little smaller than it actually is and doesn't display that piece.